Want to take a screenshot in Windows but not sure which keys to use? In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest ways to capture your screen. The first method is to press the Windows key and print screen. When you do that, a screenshot will be saved to the Screenshots folder. To access it, find the Pictures folder in your File Explorer, then click into Screenshots, and here's the screenshot I just took. If you have trouble finding this folder, you can also go to the search box down here, type in Screenshots, and you can select the folder here, and it will open. Next up, we can just use the Snipping Tool. To do this, just press Print Screen by itself. So I'll press Print Screen. Now up top you can see I have these options here. We can toggle between taking a screenshot or recording a video. I'll just talk about screenshots for this video. And in the drop down, we can have the shape of the screenshot we want to take. We can manually draw a rectangle, we can capture a window, we can just do the full screen, or we can do a freeform selection. In this case, I'll just do a rectangle. I'll click and drag part of my screen to take a shot of. When you do this, the image will once again be in the Screenshots folder. It will also be on the clipboard. So if I'm in some program like MS Paint, I can just select Edit, Paste, and there's my screenshot. You can also open the Snipping Tool as an application. It has a few more features in this case. To do that, just go to the search box here, type Snipping Tool, click on the link here. Now the Snipping Tool acts as an independent window. Now most of it behaves exactly the same as before. So if I want to take a screenshot, I can choose my type. Let's do freeform. I'll click the New button. I can drag an area as I like. Let's do this. And it saved it into my Screenshots folder, but it also gives me some additional options here to mark it up. So I can choose a pen tool here, change the color. I can do some decorations if I wanted to. I have a highlight option. Lots of stuff we can do there. And when you're done, if you want to save it, you can just click Save As to save it where you like. One interesting option is that you can also set a delay counter. So I can choose the drop down here. Let's say 3-second delay. I'll choose rectangle. Then I'll click New Screenshot. It'll count down from 3 seconds, and then it will freeze my screen and give me a chance to draw an area. This can be useful if you need a few seconds to get the other program's window in position. If you want to see more Windows productivity tips to speed up your work, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.